Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your seat in a BMW 3 Series. First, find the main control panel, usually on the outer side of the seat cushion. Use the horizontal switch to move the entire seat forward or backward, finding a comfortable distance from the pedals. Then, adjust the seat's height using the vertical switch, ensuring a clear view of the road. Finally, tilt the seat cushion for optimal thigh support. Next, let's focus on your back. Use the dedicated switch to recline or incline the backrest, finding an angle that supports your posture without strain. For lower back comfort, locate the lumbar support controls. These typically allow you to adjust the support horizontally and vertically, customizing its position. You can also increase or decrease the firmness of the lumbar support for personalized comfort on longer drives. Now let's fine-tune the headrest and side bolsters. Adjust the headrest height so its top is level with the top of your head, providing crucial safety in case of a collision. For enhanced lateral support, especially during dynamic driving, adjust the side bolsters. These controls allow you to tighten or loosen the bolsters, hugging your body and keeping you stable in your seat. This ensures both comfort and control. Finally, once you have found your perfect driving position, save it using the memory buttons, usually labeled 1, 2, or 3. This is especially useful if multiple drivers use the vehicle. Always remember to adjust your side and rearview mirrors after setting your seat to ensure optimal visibility. A properly adjusted seat contributes significantly to both comfort and safety, making every journey more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.